Good afternoon, students. Today I will start new chapter, that is string handling. String. First of all, you should know what is string. That is set of characters. When more than one alphabet is there, that is become string. So there string classes are there, string library classes there, and that we can import through the java.lang package. And you already know java.lang package is a optional. So if you not import it, even then you will be able to use these string classes in your program. Next is string variable. How to use the string variable? The first is using the assignment statement. In the assignment statement, directly will give the value. Okay, not after the execution of the program. So how you will give this direct value? For this one, you can see the syntax. String data type. Okay, string is the data type. Afterwards you will write the variable name, any variable name, then say string literals. String literal means value of string. So you can see the one example. This is syntax and this is example. String, name of the data type, st is the name of the variable, and this is literal, means value. So in this one, st variable will store understanding word, and you can see that string variable value is written within the double quotes. Okay, whenever any value you will write in double quote, that will become string. Even the numeric value, if numeric value is there, you should write within the double quote, that will become string. Like if it is there string st is equal to 57 within the double quote, that will be 57 will be string, means you will not be able to use that 57 as a number, and you cannot perform any calculation over there. Okay, another example is also given, string str, computer is fun, and this one another variable is str and value is computer is fun. Okay, the next way is that assigning by using new keyword. न्यू कीवर्ड के बारे में सबको पता ही है, दैट इज यूज टू क्रिएट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द क्लास. Okay, so in this one, during the creating the object, we will give the value. So in this one, in the example, you clearly understand string str, this is the variable name, equals to new string. Okay, object is created str through new operator, and within the bracket will pass the value to the object, and value is understanding, and object name is str will have value understanding. Okay, I think so. And you can pass the variable also instead of the value. So that in the second example, string str is equal to new string, and within the bracket you can see that instead of value will passing the this variable. So you can pass this variable also. So computer, instead of variable, it will take it computer feast. Okay, by this way you can input the value. Okay, next is array is there. Array will perform it with the next chapter. Okay, next is string functions, which are very important part. String functions, and sometimes output are asked in the question in the exam, and it is also asked with the program also. Okay, the first string function is int length. Okay, int is the return data type. Okay, with the length function, when int is written, means this length function will require from you int value. Okay, it means length function will return numeric value. So what is the use of length? It will calculate the number of characters present in the string. Syntax, you can see that int variable name. Okay, whatever variable name is there, equal to string dot length with bracket. String means here string variable. Dot length means it will calculate the length of that string. Example, you can see that clearly understood. That is string str equals to computer. Here str variable having value computer. Okay, if you want to calculate the number of characters which is present in str variable, you will perform the length function. In the next line you can see that int k. Why int k is there? Because this function will return the integer value, numeric value. That's why we need a variable, and that variable data type should be numeric int. That is int data type. That's why we have taken k and k having data type int. You can take any variable name, but the data type should be int only. Equals to str, that is a variable name, string variable name, dot length. So computer will calculate the number of characters, and number of characters when computer will count, that will be returned 8. Okay, and it will be stored by variable k. So k will have value 8. I think there is no problem in this one now. Now we'll go for the next one, char add function. One thing always remember, in the string functions, many definition it is written there position or index number. When position or index number, these words are there in the definition, it means we are taking the value from 0 position. In that case, we'll start that function from 0, not from 1. Okay, like in the length function it was started from 1. Okay, there are many functions are there where will start from 0. Like in the next function you can see that caret int index. This caret function will return character type value. Character type value means one single character. It will return one single character. Okay, and parameter is there int. Index means position. So definition, when you will read it, is there, this function return a character from a given index. Given index, within the bracket you can see that it is written their position number, कि उस पोजीशन को रिटर्न करेगा, एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर को रिटर्न करेगा. ओके, नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स नहीं, सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर को रिटर्न करेगा ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग में से जो कैरेक्टर चाहिए हमें उसको रिटर्न करेगा. अगर थर्ड कैरेक्टर चाहिए, फोर्थ कैरेक्टर चाहिए, उसकी पोजीशन को रिटर्न करेगा, उसकी पोजीशन को देगा. ये सिंटैक्स इज देयर, char variable equals to string dot char at index number. Index number means value, and it will turn the character variable. Now you can see the example. String s is equal to computer. S variable having value computer. Now in the next line we'll use the char add function, and char add function will return character type value. That's why we have taken one variable c, and that c variable having data type char. Okay, you can take any variable name, but data type should be char only, because it will return character, single character. Equals to, now we'll execute the char add function. S dot char add 3. In the definition it was written there index number. So earlier also I told you, when this index number or position number is mentioned, it means that function will start from 0. S dot char add 3 means s is the variable, string variable, and it will take a character which is present in the third position. Third position means fourth character. How it is fourth character? Because it will start from 0 position. Like C will be present in the 0 position, O will be present in the first position, M will be present in the second position, P will be present in the third position. So it will return P, because in the third position P is present. So it will give the value P to C. So C will have output P. Okay, sometimes output are asked in the exam, so you should know this type of output. So the first two functions are very important one, because with these two functions, length function and character functions, we are using nearby in all the programs. So revise these two carefully. Okay, afterwards I will explain the next function also.